If you're interested in learning some subtle psychological tricks that can make someone like you, you're in the right place. Today, we'll cover 10 psychological tricks that can help you make a great impression. Just remember, these tips are about building genuine connections, so use them sincerely. Let's get started. 1. Show genuine interest. People like to feel valued, so listen carefully to what she says and ask thoughtful questions. Showing that you're genuinely interested in her life, thoughts, and feelings builds a solid connection. 2. Use her name. Saying her name during conversations creates a personal touch and makes her feel special. It's a simple trick that subtly makes the interaction feel more intimate and meaningful. 3. Mirror her body language. If she crosses her arms, gently do the same. If she leans in, you can too. This mirroring technique creates a subconscious feeling of connection and makes her feel more comfortable around you. 4. Smile and maintain good eye contact. Smiling shows you're friendly and approachable, while eye contact builds trust. Both of these make her feel more connected and relaxed around you. Use light touches when appropriate. A light touch on the arm or shoulder during a funny moment can help build a sense of closeness. Keep it respectful and casual, and only if it feels natural in the moment. 6. Give her sincere compliments. Notice specific things you like about her, whether it's her sense of humor, her creativity, or her style. Genuine compliments make her feel appreciated and can deepen your connection. 7. Make her laugh. Humor is a powerful way to connect, and it can break down barriers. Even if you're not a comedian, just being lighthearted and playful can make her feel at ease and enjoy your company. 8. Show confidence but be humble. People are naturally drawn to confidence, but arrogance is a turnoff. Be comfortable with who you are, and don't be afraid to show vulnerability. It makes you more relatable. Listen and remember details. If she mentions something important to her, like her favorite book or a big project, remember it. Bringing these up later shows that you care about what she says, and it makes her feel valued. 10. Be consistent and reliable. If you make plans, follow through. If you say you'll do something, do it. Consistency builds trust, and when she feels she can rely on you, she'll feel safer opening up and being close to you. And there you have it, 10 psychological tricks that can help someone feel more connected to you. Remember, the key here is to be genuine and respectful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on relationships and attraction. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.